To check your transaction history on Netflix, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate through the Netflix interface to find your billing details. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account setting. Once logged in, hover over your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Find Membership and Billing section. In the account settings, scroll down to the Membership and Billing section. Here, you will find important information regarding your subscription and payment details. Step 4. View Billing Details. Click on Billing Details to view your payment history. This section will show you the dates and amounts of your past transactions, including any subscription changes or cancellations. Step 5. Download your invoice. If you need a record of your transactions, you can download your invoice. Look for the option to download or print your billing statement, which will provide a detailed history of your payments. Now you can easily check your transaction history on Netflix whenever you need to. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the help section on the Netflix website.